Hey everybody. Today you are going to take a growth measure. It's the first growth measure for this year. Just something so that I know where you are. It's not going to be for a grade. Just try to do your best. So on your screen you should see an NC Ed Cloud account for a student. Here is where you have been going to get to Canvas. Okay, and a few down, and yours may be in a different place, but you should see on your screen this smiley face in yellow with Ed beside it. That's where you're going to go to take your growth measure. We got new textbooks this year for English, and they're called HMH Into Literature, and they come with this online piece that we can use. So what you're going to do is you're going to click in that. And you will see, give it just a second, this screen. And Sadie was so very nice as to let me use her account to show you the student side. So here it says due today or overdue. You may not have anything here. If not, you can click view all assignments, or let me move the screen just a little bit. There's an assignments tab over here to the side. So you can click on either one and it'll show you all of your assignments that I've given you. Okay, so here you see growth measure reading. Okay, you're going to hit start and go ahead and do that and give it your best. I'm not going to start because I don't want to start Sadie's. I'm not really sure if she'll be able to get back into it. So go through the steps. I'm sure there will be like a finish or a submit at the end. Go ahead and do that. And if you have questions, let me know.